everyone, Hashu from Hashtag and welcome back to my channel. Huawei will announce Huawei P40 series with Huawei Mobile Service or HMS core applications. It is already finished mentioned by Huawei CEO. He also mentioned HMS will be not only available on local phones but also those that will be sold outside China too. Earlier week it was revealed that most of the main apps for HMS such as Maps, Payment, Messaging and Gaming will be finished by end of the December. Huawei faced challenges last year following the United States decision to phase in on entity list and has so lost Google Mobile service. Another interesting is the Huawei made 18% growth in 2019. Huawei P40 Pro packing a dual punch hole screen design in the upper left corner of the display with all four sides curved design. Has showed up a large waterfast 6.5-inch OLED screen which will feature a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K plus resolution. P40 will have a total of 5 cameras. The primary camera will 48 or 64 megapixel, also include a secondary ultra wide angle lens, a telephoto lens, a super telephoto lens with 5x or 10x optical zoom, and finally either a macro lens or a depth sensor. The successor of the P30 Pro should first come with at least 4000 mAh battery, also have a 50-watt fast charging technology developed by Huawei, further powered by Kirin 990 SoC with a 5G modem. What do you think about the HMS and the P40 Pro? I hope that we will see HMS soon on Huawei and on a smartphone. Let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 Pro and series. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkur from Hashtag.